Yo, hello, another exciting unboxing review type video for you guys. Got this present for Christmas today, so I decided I would make it into an unboxing video. Let's go. Maya's too tired from the long day over at grandma's house, my mom's house. Yeah, long day. She got to play with her doggy sister friend. Yeah, lots of fun. So look what we got. My favorite KAWS. Okay, so backstory. I have the purple version of this if you've seen on my channel. I posted the outfit a couple times. I have the purple but in medium, and the thing about this hoodie, the North Face KAWS collaboration hoodie, is they made it a very weird fit. It's very fitted. The medium top is like super fitted. It's like almost too small, but it's like just fitted for me because I'm a skinny guy. You know what I mean? So it works out. But it's like just fitted. Like if I dried it or something, it'd probably be fucked. But it's just fitted, so it works out perfect. But I prefer like a looser fit. Like I prefer a looser baggy fit. So that's why I was like, fuck, I need large. But it's so weird because the pants in medium are like gigantic. I could wear a small in the pants because the medium in the pants so huge and baggy. It's like a fitted top and then gigantic pants. Very weird. But now we're gonna test out the large to see what that size is like. So now you guys can know what medium and what large is like if you're interested in these hoodies. There's even a new collection out, so I imagine the sizing is probably the same. So yeah, definitely check that out. Hopefully I can get some of the new collection in the future, hopefully on sale or something. That'd be dope. I think this was my mom got this on sale because I sent her the link for it. I think it was like 100, regular like 120 or 140 or something. My god, there's like husky hair all over me. It's making me itchy. I'm not like being gross, don't worry. Alright, let's dive into this unboxing KAWS video. Woo, 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 woo. And I'll also make sure to try it on. So yeah, I always put timestamps and everything in my video in the description if you just want to skip past my blabbering. I always do previews and try-ons. So yeah, with the macro lens and everything, HD, 4K, you know? Yeah. Ooh, unboxing. Look at this blue. Such nice material. Jeez. I love these hoodies with the embroidery too. Like it's a thick, heavy hoodie. And even this one still looks fitted. This one's gonna be perfect. Like it'll be a little bit loose, but still like perfect fitted. I'm probably gonna end up wearing this hoodie like every single day. It's just the thing about like new expensive stuff, I never wanna wear it because I just ruin it, get it stained up, and like I'm scared of getting hair on it. Like I'm just like stressing out the whole time wearing it, having like an anxiety attack, when I should just be enjoying it. But this one, like I'm probably gonna be wearing it for the rest of the winter with my KAWS snow pants. I'll put that in the description. Definitely go check out the KAWS snow pants. Those are like the most lit, sick, dopest, comfiest snow pants of all time. And with this heavy duty hoodie, this is literally gonna be the ultimate flex, the ultimate freaking vibe. We got the inspection number in here, the inspection sticker, number 28. Take that off because usually it just comes off in the wash. You got the tags in here, the verification. Ooh, that silver North Face verification. You love to see that. Ooh, and this sizing is very weird. Like it's like barely even a difference. I think it's like a bit longer, maybe a bit like wider kind of thing. Yeah, I'm so excited. Like the beautiful embroidery, heavy duty, thick, beautiful tags too. I even kept the tags before, just like keep them around as decoration. Then see, like even inside, look at this huge tag that they put in here. So dope with the North Face and the KAWS. This one even has a hanger. Did the other one have a hanger? I guess it does, and I didn't notice. Or maybe it doesn't. I need to double check that. What the heck? Yeah, so like you see that beautiful huge tag. Beautiful cuffs. Nice. Like it's pretty good stitching and everything overall. Nice dye process. I just love how like heavy duty, soft, and like comfortable it is. So yeah, now to try it on, do a bit more of the preview, and woo, show you guys what it's like. Let's go. I'm gonna try it on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maya, come on. You wanna go for a walk? Come here. Come in the video. Whoa. Oh yeah, let's go. See, this is even super fitted. It's like literally the only difference is like length. It's a bit longer, but it's still fitted. But it's perfect, like large Well, look it out. Look, it's still like you can still even see my tummy when I put my arms up. Like I could get an XL in these hoodies. Now that's good to know now. Like it's still short. Like it's still not even like big on me. Like it's just slightly baggy. That's so crazy. Oh, this is the dopest hoodie ever though. Like it fits perfect. This is the perfect fit. It'd be good if it was a little longer in the arms kind of thing, but like that's good because it won't get in the way. Oh, and it's like the perfect stretchiness when you roll it up. Oh, I love this. So fire. Why are you too tired? You don't want to walk? Come on, bro. Let's go in the cold, the ice. Matty ice. Make sure to like and subscribe. Close up preview time. So fire. Look at that. Look at that. It's ultimate fire. I don't even know if I got the whole thing in the first take. If I didn't get the whole thing, oops, then I'll put the audio in. It's got a big hood on them. That's one thing about them, is it's a big, chunky hood. So it's kind of tough for layering, but makes it look cool. Like it's so fire. See, I could pop out my reflective beanie out here. Pop out. Hey, let's go. Okay, that's it.